In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Maintain Account module. First, click on Finance and Maintain Account. Here you will see a list of your previous account entries, and if you would like to add a new entry, you can click on Add Account over here. After you do so, you'll be brought to the Account Master Add page where you can fill in information about your new account. Note that the yellow boxes are mandatory fields, which means you must fill them in before you click on Save. So let's say in my case, I want to create a new account named Rental. So for account name, I'll type in rental. And for its account code, I'll type in R001. Next, we have account group. So in my case, I'll select operation expenses. However, if you've selected cash or bank for your account group, you may have noticed two extra fields for you to fill in. The first being branch and the second being currency. Branch is where you can select the branches that can view this specific account. So let's say you only want branch JB and main branch to view it, you can tick both of them. Once you do this, branch 3 and branch 5 will not be able to view this account once you create it. So after you selected your branch, you can also move on to your currency, which is the currency that this account is using. So in my case, I'll select MYR. And that's it for these two options that are exclusive to the bank and cash account group. So I'll go back to operation expenses. Now, keep in mind that all options that appear in the account group drop-down list are all parent account entries, which means if you want to add a new option to this list, you must first add it in the parent account module. To do that, you can go back to the account master page and click on Maintain Parent Account. Once you're here, you can click on Add New Item, and you'll be brought to the account group master add page. Here you can fill in information of your parent account, and after you're done, you can click on Save. In my case, I'll click on Exit since I'm not creating a new one. And if you would like to edit information about a particular parent account, you can find them in the list and click on Edit. After you're done editing, you can click on Save to save your changes. So that's it for creating a new parent account. Now let's return to creating a new account entry. So once you're done selecting your account group, you can select your e-invoice classification. So in my case, I'll select Repair and Maintenance. And after you've selected your classification, you can decide whether or not this account should be viewable by staff. If you want this account to be viewable by staff, you can turn it on, and if you don't, you can turn it off. Once you're done filling in everything, you can click on Save to save your new account entry. So that's it for creating a new account. Now, to find it in this list, you can utilize the search bar over here. So I'll just search for its code over here, R001. And as you can see, the system will return to me my account entry. Other than using the search bar, if I want to view accounts based on their account types, I can also click on the tabs up here, which will sort accounts based on their account type, such as asset accounts, liability accounts, equity accounts, expense accounts, revenue accounts, and archive accounts. Additionally, if you would like to filter out the account entries based on your selected column value, you can also click on the funnel icon of the selected column. So let's say I select these three and click on OK. The system will filter out the entries based on my selection. Other than that, if you would like to sort the entries by ascending or descending order based on column values, you can also click on the respective column header like so. Continuing on, if you would like to edit the information of a certain account, you can find them in this list and click on their account code. After you do so, you'll be brought to the account master edit page where you can then make your changes. So after you're done, you can click on Save and your changes will be made. Besides that, if you would like to archive or delete an inactive account, you can select the account by using the checkboxes over here and clicking on either Archive or Delete. Clicking on Archive will send the selected accounts to the Archive tab, while clicking on Delete will permanently delete the account entries. Now, let's say you want to restore an archived entry. Well, you can go to the Archive tab over here and find your entry. After you found it, you can click on its account code. So let's say I select this one and change its status back from inactive to active. After you've done so, you can click on Save and it will be restored to the account list. If you want to unarchive multiple accounts at once, you can also utilize the checkbox on the left and click on Unarchive once you've done so. You click on OK. And your selection will be unarchived and will reappear back here. Finally, if you would like to edit multiple accounts at once, instead of clicking on them one by one, you can go to Batch Update Account over here. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the Batch Update Master Account page, where you can batch update your account. To search for a specific set of accounts, you can utilize the search fields up here. So let's say I only want to edit accounts with the parent account of all capital, and I'll click on Search. After that, the system will return to me all accounts that have the parent account of all capital. If you would like to view all accounts, you can just leave all of these as blank and click on search. So as you can see, the system will return to me all accounts. And in this list of accounts, I can just do my editing. And after I'm done, I can click on save. Okay. And if the update is successful, the system will display a success prompt. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.